Right, so it's been ages since you guys have been up here, I know, but the good news is that I got heaps to show you. We've made an unbelievable amount of progress, heaps of footage, heaps to see, so let's go. Okay, so last time we were up here, both these sheds were just complete shells. We'd done all the cladding, all the bracing, everything in terms of steel was done. Since then, we got in and we started the big job of not only prepping it to receive some cladding, but also building in the bathroom one, building in those partition walls between the two rooms, and then the interior wall that was going to house 1 million pipes. We had quite a big push, probably in that first week, to get everything framed up and ready for the plumbers to come in. They needed to have all our nogs, all our framing in place, so that then they could fit in and around all of that. There was a few things like, because these are steel sheds, and then framing them up for the pine, there was a bit of messing around there. We had to do quite a few little details to make sure that everything was nice and flush in the final product. Once we'd kind of got everything kind of framed up and ready to go for all the plumbers, electricians and gas fitters, there was one day up here where we had 10 trades. It was probably the most chaotic day of my life. I don't think I picked up a single tool. I was just running around in between trades, making sure that everybody knew what was going on. It was pretty hectic, pretty big learning curve for me, but in saying that, it was by far the most productive day. We went from having no pipes in the wall to having full water, even the electrics were in. It was an insane day, insane amount of progress. Just completely blown away how much you can get done in a day if you throw 10 tradies at it. Okay, so here behind me you can see the shower area and this wall all clad up. Once we'd done all the pipes in that wall, we really wanted to get it kind of closed up. I went for a colour steel finish up the top, and then this white stuff that's villa board, so it's like a fibre cement board that you can then tile to. So next step in here would be screwing those the shower trays, and then waterproofing. I'm also a qualified waterproofer now. Waterproofing, and then tiles. So the tiles will kind of come to about here, and then we've got cubicles all through that. This wall you see here, this little wing wall system, we've got our two collar fonts hidden in the back there, and that also serves as the accessible toilet, accessible shower. Sorry. So heaps of progress here. It's looking amazing. Also, we've got some water. You can kind of see what's happening in each bathroom. We've got a big feature wall. This is aquagib, and then all the surrounding walls are done in ply. Yeah, apparently not the easiest thing to do on a steel building, but Matt did a fantastic job. It's super tidy in here. You can also see a little sneak peek of my bench that I've been working on. Whole video on that will be coming, shot it all, so we're test fitting today, but it looks super nice. We also got the first toilet in. Yeah. So once the plumbers had kind of sorted out that main wall so that we could start cladding either side, they moved on to kind of the big, let's say, mammoth task of coming down here and sorting out our grey and wastewater system. 2 septic tanks showed up. They went in a lot easier than I thought they were going to do. 2 big holes, chuck the concrete in, put them together, done. The tank behind me showed up, as well as the 2 others. This tank catches all of our rainwater off the roofs. This month that tank filled up in less than a week, which is insane. 25,000 litres off the roofs in probably about 6 or 7 days. Insane. I'll show you what happens down the hill. And then that down there is our grey water fields. It's pretty much where most of the money in this project is, and it's all underground. It's insane. This is it. Oh, there's been some pigs. The grey water comes down, gets split over there in a sequential valve, and then down. There's one field there, one field there, one field out there, one field out there. Insane amount. I think there's 480 square meter fields from a little bathroom. Yeah, you got a pipe with holes in it, and then it's got a kind of plastic dome, and then it radiates in there, and then kind of gets rid of the effluents or whatever it's called. Pretty insane. Mom's been out painting the container. It's looking pretty good. So that's what we're up here today doing, just kind of small little jobs that you could do in some good weather. Mom's been painting, so's Elena. I've been kind of test fitting a few things, doing a few odd jobs here and there, but yeah, it's getting pretty exciting. Look at that. Okay, so what next? Well, we've only got about 6 weeks, to be honest, till Labour weekend, and we're up and going. I've got to order the kitchen and the shower cubicles. I'll also have my uncle coming down to do the tiling. I've got to organise that in the next couple of weeks. The bathroom fit out should happen next week. I'm 99% done with those countertops. It's going to look so good. We've also got another 13 of these to build all the way around, so that in itself is going to be a 2-3 week job. Not sure. Yeah, it is what it is. We need them. All the tents are here. Elena and Dad have been sorting out all the bedding, all the beds, all the fit out for them. We did come up here the other day and did real sick little photo shoot. Photos came out amazing. People have been loving them on Facebook. But yeah, it's all go. I'll do my best to kind of get in and document something for you guys in between. There are a couple of videos coming. The one will be the vanities, those vanity benches for the bathrooms, and the other will be most likely the kitchen and how I sorted all that out. And then obviously an update or two in between. But it's getting pretty full on. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see you next time.